Hello everyone and welcome to my video. In this video I'll be unboxing, connecting and testing the HP wireless mouse model Z3700. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. It will help me keep bringing you quality videos. The mouse comes well packaged. It has a battery included in the package, transceiver and the mouse, and some user manual and some other papers. It has 1200 dpi, 2.4 GHz frequency, one AA battery that lasts about 16 months. It comes in multiple color options. It's also designed to be used in either hands, and it has a slim design. And it feels well made. I'm wondering why the receiver isn't blue. So here are the instructions to install the battery. Just lift the cover, and under the cover you'll find a place to install the battery and also a place to transport the transceiver or the receiver in case you want to travel with the mouse so that you don't lose it. After installing the battery, put back the cover, and once you plug the transceiver into the laptop, the mouse will operate directly. Here I'm turning on the mouse and I'm plugging the transceiver into a USB port in my laptop. What I liked about this mouse is its stylish design, the fact that it is not a Bluetooth mouse, so performance is not affected by CPU peaks. It is precise and the buttons feedback is good. What I didn't like is the fact that it is small, so it made my wrist and elbow hurt after a short period of usage. Maybe it's more suitable for short period of usage, for travel, and for seldom usages. In my opinion, it shouldn't be used as a daily mouse to work all day on it. I want to thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.